What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. See, that's what we gotta do. Like,
You did it late.
anyway, shut up. Oh my god, I have makeup on and I'm messing it up. Anyway, so I'm back, and as you can see, I have my sister again. So I'm gonna be doing her makeup. I don't think she gonna like it though. She doesn't wear makeup. Like, I'm like the girliest girl out of the whole family, and she and my other sister are not.
Nope.
So let's see how this goes. But this is just basically like a simple makeup tutorial. Like, basic makeup you could wear every day. Like, you don't have to be extra. You don't have to put on a full face. You don't got to do all that extraness. Just basic everyday makeup. Like, that's what it's about. So I'm gonna be using my Morphe palette, the 35F Morphe palette, and I'm gonna be using my Zoeva brushes. Duh, these brushes are amazing. I need to get more, but they're amazing. And I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. eyebrow kit. As you can see through this little window, it's gone. Like, there's more at the bottom. I'll open it. Like, there's some, but it's literally almost, like, not almost, it's gone. So I have to go buy more. I'm literally using like nothing. You wonder how my eyebrows got like this? Child, I don't know. So using that, we're gonna be using the Rocket Volume Express mascara. Okay. And hold on. I used it. I literally just used them, so now I can't find them. And we're gonna be using CoverGirl. This is the liquid. This is the liquid eyeliner, and then we're gonna. Ooh, almost dropped it. We're gonna be using the CoverGirl gel eyeliner. So we use the gel first, then the liquid. You guys already know how I do it. So I think that's it. So let's get started.
I'm nervous.
I feel like I'm a killer or something. Like, I'm just doing her makeup. It's not that big of a deal. What are you doing?
Hey, man.
Alright, y'all. I'm going to start. You guys can see her face, right?
Yes, you can. Unless you want me to zoom in.
Can I zoom in with this?
I think you can.
No, you can't. You can't do it.
Oh. That's weird.
So you have to move up. They have to see your face. Oh my god, what are you doing?
I'm trying to do the thing. It worked.
Okay, I guess you guys can see her face like that. I don't know. Okay, so now you guys see her. And you don't need to see me because I'm doing her makeup. So I'm going to do these eyebrows. Okay? I always brush them first and shape them. If you see my face, then whatever. Why are you laughing? You're not supposed to be laughing. You're supposed to be sitting
still. Then whatever.
Put your face in camera. See her eyebrows? See, they're nice and brushed. Ooh, no, they're not. I fucked it up. There we go. So now I'm gonna do her eyebrows with no eyebrow nothing, because as you can see, all of my eyebrow stuff is gone. So I'm not gonna use anything. I'm just gonna use nothing. I'm gonna use water. Just water. I'm using my my brow brush from Zoeva, as you guys can see. There you go. Okay, so we just gonna shape them. I'm gonna do this side first. I think my sister has a unibrow, but you know, not really.
Yo, I'm really trying to chat this man.
I don't know where I got it from.
What?
The unibrow.
Yeah, I don't know either, because I don't have one. But
No, I know how to chat.
I'm saying that like she's my child, but still.
No, but it's in the center, so I don't know what's that. You can always pluck it, right? But doesn't if you pluck
You
it,
can, but it's you honestly don't see it like that. You guys can tell what brow is done and what isn't.
I'm sorry.
Like, look. You guys can tell. This one's done.
Mm-hmm. And
this one's done. Turn your head. And this one's done.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you do good.
Thanks, girl. I don't be doing nobody eyebrows because I don't be trying to mess them up. I'm not done. Don't touch it.
Yo, I almost hit you.
Y'all think I got a unibrow? Comment below.
We all know she doesn't have one, but still comment and think and see if she has a unibrow. Because I don't think, like, I feel like when you look close, it looks like it.
Mm-hmm.
Like when I'm all up in her face like this, you could think that she has one, but it's not like connected. It's just hairs here, so she doesn't really have to like wax it or shave it or anything.
We're blessed. We have nice eyebrows.
Aha! Look at that! Look at that! Let me stop, because I'm extra. Y'all all know I'm extra. Look at that! Oh my goodness. See, I must have something because this water that I'm using has to be amazing. Y'all know I'm not using water, but still, I'm lying.
Yeah, they're clean.
They look amazing! Alright, moving on.
Unless we just want to go like this all day. All day.
She's just so extra. I can't do it. Okay, so moving on to the shadow.
Sorry about my rudeness.
Moving on to the shadow. Alright, so I'm going to be using my basic...
What's that fan for?
That's for highlight. You're not getting highlight today.
No, I'm just asking. I don't know makeup.
I'm using my crease brush from Zoeva. Hello. And I'm going to be using this color right here that I always use for my crease. I'm using it for her crease.
Hey, we're the same color.
We're not the same. Look at this.
No, not you! I meant that brown thing on my eyelids.
Oh, I'm about to say, like, girl, close your eyes. Not like that. Close your eyes.
Which one?
All of them. Oh my god. Can't do this, man. This is why I don't do nobody makeup. Because I can't be doing it. I don't know how these freaking makeup artists be doing this. I can't be doing this, man. Tell them close their eye. They close one eye. They leave the other eye open. Like, why you leaving one eye open? Ooh, it's pretty. Okay, I don't know if you guys could see that. Close your eye. Close your eyes. Oh. Close them both. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, you kind of can. You can see it from this one and this one.
I left the other eye open because you can focus on one. You know,
you don't do that. That's not what you do.
Like, you don't get it.
No, we don't. Close your eyes. Okay, close them both. Close them both. See, y'all can see that, right? Y'all can see it. I can see it. Okay. So,
why is it so pink?
It's not pink.
Oh.
It's not pink.
It looks like it is.
But it's not.
Unless I'm colorblind.
It's not pink.
Oh.
It's not pink. So, we're going to use another color.
I like these brows.
Her brows are bomb. I'm sorry. I got to put my head in this. Her brows are bomb. I did that. You see these brows? I did them too, and I did her. Okay. So we're gonna be using. I honestly don't know what the name of this brush is. Oh, this is not even. This is for contouring. This is not even for that. Whoopsie. Hold on one second.
There's a brush for contouring?
Yes.
You know what's funny? She bought me makeup brushes. Fun fact, for Christmas. I still haven't used them.
I should be using your brushes instead of mine. We're using this eyeshadow brush. There you go. Okay. I used this color once when I went to my brother's baby shower, and it actually looked nice. So I'm gonna use this one right here. It's like a very basic color. I never use this color. I literally never use this color. So this is the second time I'm using it.
There's light in this room now. All of a sudden.
Close your eyes. Oh.
Yes, get it.
Yeah, I can see. Yes, you can see it. You can see it. You can see it.
This makes me look like I have no eyelashes.
We didn't do the mascara yet.
Oh.
Close your eyes. Close them.
I hate how I see.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Y'all see that? Close eyes. You see how it blends? Oh, God. Let me stop.
If you can't see,
Okay, girl. I don't know what the hell that was, but...
give you the full effect.
Okay, so... we're going to go into the inner corners with... I don't want to use gold. I'm going to use a white color. Stop.
No, because every time I keep
Touch
raising the
me.
brow, it like does the weird thing.
Leave it alone. Okay, so we are going to use... we are going to use this. Fun fact about this, I dropped it and it broke, but there's still like some like around, so that's what we're going to do. Gonna use that for the inner corner. I was gonna say crease. I'm like, nope, we're not messing that up. Close the eyes, please. Yes, hunty.
I'm shy.
Close.
Just kill me. Just kill me. That was, yeah, just kill me, bro. That image, bro.
Yes, girl. Okay, we're done with all of that. We're going... ooh, I moved it. We're going to do... we're done. So we're going to use the CoverGirl gel. My nails are all up in this. CoverGirl gel. To make this wing. And if I mess up the wing, not my problem. I don't do wings on other people. Okay, cool.
Unprofessional.
What? I am not a makeup artist. I never said I was. So get out of here. You're my sister. I'm allowed to mess up your face. There we go. Yep. Did one eye. I didn't mess it up. I use two, like I said before in my other video, because the gel is like stability. You can draw on your
I'm going to the circle.
liner with the gel and make it pop with the liquid. Instead of using the liquid, messing it up, smudging it, I just like using the gel. It's just easier. All right, two done. I ain't messing up. Hey, I ain't messing up. Hey.
Professional.
Now I'm professional. You know what?
Did you die?
We don't got time for this wishy-washy BS, okay?
Because you said it's
Wishy-washy
not.
as F.
You said it's not my responsibility, but it's your responsibility to get it
No,
perfect.
it's not.
Because this is a video.
I am not a MUA, okay? Not to my responsibility. If I mess it up, I mess it up. Oh, well. Duh. It's called a tutorial.
Never
for a
hire
reason.
her to do your makeup.
Hey, don't. That's bad publicity. What's wrong with you? I'm never having her on my channel again, y'all. This is the second and last time she gonna be on here. Now up, so I don't poke you in the eye, which I probably should.
Yeah, I'm mad close too.
Yeah, she has the perfect eyes to do a wing.
Where y'all fighting at?
Oh, I'm messing it up. She has the perfect eyes to do a wing.
They're chinky.
You see that? And I didn't mess it up. Well, I kind of did, but I didn't. But I did. Anyway. She'll be okay. I'll clean it up after the video.
It's responsible.
Why are you laughing?
She'll be alright.
She will.
Someone just like a wig, right? He has like her frontal showing, so she's like, oh, she alright. Let it go.
Close your eyes before I poke you. Let me just go this way because it's easier. They look about right. Do they look good? They look good, right?
Yeah.
I think I put makeup on your face.
You did? Where?
I think so. Look. Did I?
No.
I feel like I did.
If so, I'll wash it.
I think I accidentally put makeup on her face. But yeah, like look at this. Look at this look. Look at this. Look at this look. You gotta put the face all up in the camera. Yes, you see that? You see the you could have contrast. Oops, sorry, I poked an eye. You see the contrast with the crease, and then you have the lid, and then you have the inner corner, and then you have the wing. Like this wing looks way better than this wing, but still, like they look good. You know what I mean? Like look at her. Look at her. I think I did a good job, and I don't do people's makeup. So we just gonna use this mascara. There's no way you can mess up with mascara.
You do mascara like that?
I do it both ways. It makes it pop. And you have curly ass eyelashes.
Yeah.
Look up.
Oh.
Okay, not that up. See, you messed it up.
I'm sorry.
You messed it up.
I usually just let them
We hate
be.
this, right? MUAs, we hate it.
Listen, man, y'all already know the deal. Y'all know I know the makeup.
Stop touching.
But you just said you wanted it anyway.
Shut up. Don't be trying to embarrass me in front of my freaking followers, okay? Don't be doing that. Okay.
Oh, good job.
You see them, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. I usually never see them.
Open.
Alright.
I didn't say open. You see? The worst customer I ever had. Let me stop before they try to come for me. And I put some more. You see what you do?
You are creating a look. Be different, y'all.
No, that is not a look. You're messing it up.
Oh.
We're gonna fix this and come back to you guys. Look at my sister's makeup. Like the lighting from here is not that great, but you see the contrast, the crease right here. I keep poking her crease, and you see here, and you see the corner, and you see the line. You know, like I think it looked good. Open your eyes. She looked good. Why you looking up at me? Look
Oh.
at the camera. Yeah. Okay, we're done. Okay, guys, you see the finished look. You see her. Okay, so that was the end of this video. Comment, like, subscribe. I'm gonna put all her information down below. You guys already know she has a YouTube channel, so go watch her stuff. Go watch all of that. Yeah, that's really all. This simple makeup look. Like, didn't even do that much. Simple, everyday look. Like, not even that big of a deal, you know? So comment, like, subscribe, hit me up, let me know what you want to see, let me know what other makeup tutorials you would like me to do, what other videos you like me to do, and all that good stuff. And that is the end of this video.